The automatic tunnel car wash system can wash 45 to 55 cars per hour with continuous, fully automatic operation. The electroplated conveyor device system equipped at the tunnel wash system entry can ensure the smooth access of cars to the washing area, which is configured with a Japanese high-density polymerized nylon roller, featuring a high driving force and great wear resistance. The high-pressure water pre-washing system utilizes a 6-nozzle swinging-type high-pressure water spray method to form a fan-shaped water fountain that quickly and thoroughly rinses the car. Short vertical brushes can auto-detect car distance and tilt 15 degrees inward in combination with horizontal tire brushes to perfectly clean the car's underbody and tires. The first group of long vertical foam brushes can tilt to wash closely around the car. The second group achieves a soft and delicate washing performance and is capable of moving back and forth to automatically clean the car body. In addition to that, the vertical elevating top brushes can auto-detect the roofline and move closely but not too close and wash the car to achieve a better washing effect. After the car is sprayed with water and wax, our contour-following dryers, including the two-sided parallel blowing dryer and elevating top dryer, will follow the contours of the vehicles to effectively clear the remaining water. Afterwards, the chamois dry brushes can automatically dry and polish the vehicle.